Time to start pulling the Mini apart. I've got the bonnet off. First job, I'm going to obviously jack up your car. I'm going to get it jacked up, take the front end off, get that sat on the roof, and then get stuck into pulling it all apart. So hang around and we'll see what happens. Hopefully by the end of this video it'll be running again and we can go driving it somewhere. I did an awful lot of work and very little videoing. I'll turn the camera around and show you now. So as you can see, I've got the cylinder head off. Head's on there. I'll flip it up in a bit if I remember, and I'll show you the face. I couldn't really see on the gasket because of all the gooey mess everywhere, but I couldn't really see where it was failed. But I could see a mark on the cylinder head that looked a little bit like a wire had been tracking across. So I'm going to go and grab the bits out of the car and start putting things together. Nice new gasket set. One of the problems I think I had before was the bolts bottoming out. So first thing I'm going to do is grab one of the bolts, measure it, compare it with the old one, which is there, and then check the hole depth and the head thickness and make sure the bolts aren't too long. I'm going to risk bottoming out. I've just dropped the oil, stuck a new filter on. Fortunately it doesn't look sparkly, a little bit of watery kind of mayo-y stuff in there, but and that looks quite good. So we're pretty well built up now. I just need to take the radiator outside and give it a flush out, although I might wait until I flush the engine out. I need to get this header tank off because it split over here somewhere and started leaking, which is annoying, so I'm going to try and find another one on Friday. Other than that, it's assembled. I need to put the wheels back on the floor, put some oil in it, and turn the key again. Fingers crossed. Things have progressed a little bit. The head gasket's done, Mini's reassembled, and I took it out for a run round last night. It didn't go without problems, but it went okay. As you can see, it's outside the garage. Sorry about the flickering of the lights. But yeah, I'm hoping to take it to Stanford Hall at the weekend. Mini made it to Stanford Hall. Slight problem on the way, I'll show you. So when I was working on it the other day, I left the oil cap loose, which meant oil got everywhere. I've cleaned as much up as I can, but so I drove all the way down here with the oil cap off and it just started smoking while I was in here. There's oil everywhere. Bit of a mess. Like Minis.
They had like small small filters in it, and then a big filter.
Probably. Yeah. Different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Porsche 911. Yeah.
Coming.
Yeah.
That's where I'm going.
Again, John.